Good morning, respected teacher and classmates. For this presentation, I'm going to talk about how to integrate Web 2 activities to a language class. For this presentation, I choose the topic of present simple tense. The purpose of this is show how I will teach an academic period integrating face-to-face and virtual activities in the class. Also tell how I will carry out the evaluation of these activities. So the idea is to, through the development of this video, present the different parts of a lesson plan and the different materials that we can use in each part of a lesson plan. So we are going to start with the warm-up activities. For the warm-up activities, for example, we can use flashcards. The flashcards are materials for face-to-face environment. The good thing with the flashcards is that it has much help the students to relate the meaning, relate the image with the meaning of the sentence. For the part of the introducing the topic, yes, I suggest, for example, the use of some online tools, for example, Blockster, for example, PowerPoint or Powtoon. In Powtoon and PowerPoint, you can create presentations in a very didactic way, like for example this presentation that I'm doing now with movement and all that things. You can add an image, you can add sound, you can add, for example, different type of lyrics. Yeah, so it's very good. For example, you can create build videos, like for example in Powtoon you can add cartoons in order to take more the attention of our students, and in that way we can explain a new topic in a very didactic way. In Blockster you can, like you can see, is a Blockster about present simple that I did. In this part I explain when we have to, or what or for the present simple, and some example with image and also some videos explaining it. The good thing with this is that they are very useful for students that have, for example, visual and auditive learning style. And for the practice activities, I suggest, for example, the use of some tools like EducaPlay. In EducaPlay you can make games in which the students can practice the topic. For example, I make a game about present simple tense. It's a video about a daily routine of a girl, and the students have to answer some questions about the video. This is other tool is called ES Lyrics Training Karaoke. So the students have to listen a song, and while they are listening the song, so they have to complete some parts that are missing in the lyrics. So the good thing is, for example, I choose a Coldplay song called Yellow. In that song there is a lot of sentence in present simple tense, so for that reason I choose. It's a very didactic and practice way to practice this new topic. Also we can use, for example, normal exercise for fill the gaps or join, for example, in this case, join the sentence. Yeah, for example, they play soccer, so the student has to join they with the subject, like it's a balloon soccer. So it's a good way. For example, these activities are good for students that have kinesthetic learning style. Continue with the development of a normal lesson plan. We continue with the production. In the part of the production, for example, we can ask for the students to build a text on groups, or they can do role plays. It's a good way in which they can they can produce the things that they have learned during the class. Other part of the lesson plan is the assessment. In the part of the assessment for the evaluation, some practice activities have their own score. So in that way, we can evaluate how much the student knows about. The other way to evaluate the students could be in the traditional way, through quizzes, assessments, and exhibitions. For us, we have the part of the homeworks. For the part of the homeworks, for example, I suggest the use or a web page. Create a web page. We can create a blog or a web page in free tools. For example, Blogger is a free tool in which we can create a blog. For example, the good thing is through a blog, you can, for example, upload the tags there. So the idea is that the students go to the blog and there they can see the tasks that you leave for them, and also you can for example upload practice activities that they can develop there. You can add or allow, for example, there the explanation of the different topics that you have teach during your classes. The same with the web page. So it's a good way in which the students since home can be very interactive with the things that you have learned and with the tasks, and also interact between or among them. Okay, so that was all. Thank you for your attention, and until our next opportunity.